Hello to all. Lunch typical. In today, Mafe, Lily and me, we will tell in the dish video and Ash Kid make rice for lunch and fish to share with the whole family, nutritious, delicious and eggs to prepare.
Ingredients: 2 rice bananas, and a small heart of my citrus, 1 tomate paste, 2 glass of rice, 1 pound of pork rinds, 2 of rice de bacon, 1 glass of cacao.
Preparation. Fish prepared with rice. Second, small piece we cut the pork. Rinas, bacon, sausage, ripe, banana and free. Al par nest head the paprika roasted on a grill, leaven and delicate pudding of the shell. Then I boil toss the ingredients, the pasta and mix with tomato finally served. We hope you have better to this liquid.